Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 2. Evaluate 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3, all in the brackets square. Now A is 121, B 144, C 169 and D 196. Now we have to evaluate this, and if you look at this is coined out from indices. We're given 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3, all in the brackets square. Now from indices, this 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is interesting as saying what square root of 64 plus, and this 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is interesting as saying what cube root 125, all square. Now from here we can see root 64 is what 8 plus, now cube root of 125 is equals to what 5, all square. So now 8 plus 5 will give us what 13. So we're having 13 square, and 13 square is equals to what is equals to 169. So 169 is the answer to this question, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.